Okay, we're going to do a question on probability trees, and this is question 10. And question 10 says, Greg has a fair spinner with 5 equal sections. 3 of the sections are red, and 2 of the sections are blue. And he spins the spinner twice. And it asks us to complete and fully label the probability tree to show the possible outcomes. Now each probability tree of these V shapes, that's called a probability tree, and each probability tree, each individual probability tree, must add up to 1. So what I'm going to say is, this one here is red, and this one here is blue. Now, if the probability of getting a red, well, there are 3 red sections out of a total of 5, so the probability of getting red is 3/5, and therefore the probability of getting blue is 2/5. Again, if he spins it twice, we'll have red up here and blue here, and the same probability to here, red, blue. The probability of getting a red is still 3/5, and of getting a blue is 2/5, and of getting a red here is 3/5, and the blue is 2/5. Now if I were to follow this path up here, after having spun the spinner twice, I would have 2 reds. Here I would have a red followed by a blue. Here I would have a blue followed by a red, and this outcome would be a blue followed by a blue. Now when you're working out the probabilities, you multiply the fractions going up there. So the probability of getting 2 reds is 3/5 times 3/5, and I'll just do it here, I think there's just enough room. And that will give us 9/25. Here, 3/5 times 2/5, well 3 times 2 is 6, over 25. Here, 2 times 3 is 6, so that's also over 25, and 2 times 2 is 4, over 25. And going down, these should add up to 1. So 9 plus 6 is 15, plus another 6 is 21, plus 4 is 25. So that's probably right. So that's how to fill in the probability tree. Now, over the page, it asks us the question, calculate the probability that the spinner lands on red both times. So if we look back at the probability tree, red both times is a probability of 9/25. So that's what we can fill in for this question here. That's 3/5 times 3/5, which is 9/25.